Greetings, it is I, your internet pal Shred Durst, and today we are going to be going over a technique that is simply known as the Swedish Death Gallop. You may have heard it before. I think no matter where you are in your guitar playing, this can be a fun exercise for a warm-up or for you to sharpen up your pick hand. And put in its simplest form, it is over and over and over again. So that's not that hard, but take it and speed it up to 115 BPM and turn those into 2 16th notes and 2 32nd notes, and you have this. And in this exercise, we are going to be doing this gallop on every single string using our A minor triads. It's going to look like this. Alright, the way I have this transcribed in Guitar Pro is 2 32nd notes followed by 2 16th notes, followed by 2 32nd notes, followed by 2 16th notes. It's 2 fast notes, 2 slow notes. Okay? So if you cannot touch this at 115 BPM, I want you to do it like this, okay? You're going to do an 8th notes and 16th notes first, which is slower over the same tempo, and then try to do a burst of the faster speed, okay? It's going to sound like this. What I want you to concentrate on is if you totally bone up that fast part, just try to keep it in time so you can land back on the slow part, okay? If you even get a couple of the notes, it's going to stick in there. But just stick with it and you will get this. Okay, next we're going to be doing the exercise together. Whether you really struggle with this or you're just really trying to sharpen this up, if you are trying to get better at this, I would do this for about 10 to 15 minutes at the beginning of my warm-up. Like I said, if you can't do it across every string, just start with the one string. Don't start crossing the strings up if you can't even do it on one string first. Now, I'm not going to lie, for some of you, this is going to take a long time to get, but it's going to be worth it when you can do it. I want to thank Stringjoy for supplying me with fantastic strings. They stay nice and bright. They're made here in the USA, and if you need a custom set for a weird tuning, they have a string tension calculator on their website that will allow you to put in any tuning, and it will measure an approximate tension for you so you can get it as close to the tension you like on any guitar. It's pretty awesome. I'd also like to thank Lunar Black Picks. They make the best pick on the market, in my opinion. They're nice and sharp, the grip feels fantastic, and they stay sharp for a super, super long time. Probably the most comfy pick I have ever played or owned. If you want to help me out and you're going to get something for your guitar or any musical instrument, use my Sweetwater affiliate link and help me out. I also have a landing page in there that has all of my instruments, my guitars, everything I use day in and day out, and the stuff I use to maintain them. I want to thank every single one of my Patreon supporters. You guys are so fantastic. I love all my supporters so much. Thank you so much, because this stuff takes a super long time to do. So supporting my work means so much to me. All right, go shred.